how do you get better at math?
There's this famous saying that it is magic until you understand it, and thereafter, it's mathematics.
Ang dami naming mami, competencies na ituturo. We cannot stick to this competency for longer time. May time budget siya, mami.
It believes the country's score will improve through its new curriculum.
Kalma lang, abansita. So, kadya is mamanan ninyo ang pito ka pamaagi kung paano mangin sagad sa math. Since most of the students in today's generation is nabadlayan na tanda sa math, kag-admit ko nga sa aral ako kara, but somewhat I am capable of solving some math problem. Based on my research, I came up with 7 ways on how to get better at math. Firstly, practice regularly. So, kinahanglan tagin mo practice regularly para mangin sagad sa math, since hindi man ako nga simple lang mangin sagad kara sa math. Secondly is learn the basics. So, kinahanglan ta mamanan ang arithmetic, algebra, then the basic formulas. So, kinahanglan ta na itunan ang mga basics. Thirdly is ask questions. So, kung baka beginner pa lang kita, kinahanglan ta mamangkot sa mga ahead ka natin, sa mga expert rin sa math. Fourthly is utilize our resources. Since duro naman kita resources, kaya like may mga internet, may mga libro, pwede kita download yung mga PDF, pwede ka natin magamit ra. Pang-fifth is use math in real life. Bukan lang ko nga itunan ta lang. So, kinahanglan ta man i-apply in real life para ma-internalize ta ang idea kang math. Like for example, basic math lang ra, ang addition, subtraction lang, pwede kita ito ma-apply. Second to the last is repetition, review, and revise. Sa tanan nga mga lectures, mga gintunan, pwede tayo balikan kag i-reviewon pagid. Last but not the least is stay motivated and keep pushing. Believe in yourself and don't give up. Ayan lang guys. Thank you sa pag-imaw. Pwede ka mo kapadayon.